All right, so if you got a GMC or a Chevy with this style dash, this is a Sierra 1500, and you need to replace this dimmer switch because your dimmer function or any other function that's attached to this isn't working correctly. It's time to replace this switch. It's actually a really easy repair. First thing we're going to do is this whole cover here pops off, just like that. I'm going to go back probably just to about, and it's easy enough just to take it off, but new one, it's got these tangs here, and really all you have to do is just kind of undo the clips. So you just get a flathead screwdriver underneath that one and under that one, and then you'll be able to kind of rock it out very carefully. I was able to undo them. So we just have that clip to remove. And that can be done just by pressing that down. New one goes on the same way. Just like that. It's good. It's in there nice and snug. So I just have to pop all the trim back on. And there we go. So let's try it out. Looks good. And the backlight works too. So I'm happy with that. What this old one was doing was it was going dim and then bright completely randomly on its own. Didn't really have any control over it. So this is trash. If you guys enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more.